everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to log out of FlipGrid. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Start by clicking open a web browser and type in the URL flipgrid.com. Press the enter on your keyboard and you'll end up in the official website of FlipGrid. Click on the login button at the upper right. If you are not logged into your account, first make sure you are. Click on any one option in order to log in. Let me click on the Google login option. Choose your account. In the pop-up window, once you end up in the discussion tab of FlipGrid, in order to log out of your account, what you'll need to do is, you'll need to go and click on the emoji icon at the top right next to help. From the expanded menu, click on the logout button. And soon after you do that, you'll be logged out of your FlipGrid account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.